Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to calculate tax on your CTC. First of all, we need to know what are the income tax slabs. Here you can see there are 4 slabs. From 0 to 2.5 lakh rupees, you have to pay no tax. From 2.5 lakh to 5 lakh, you have to pay 10% tax. From 5 lakh to 10 lakh, you have to pay 20% of tax. And the final one is 10 lakh and above, you have to pay 30% tax plus 10% surcharge. Apart from that, there are 2 more taxes. First one is education cess and second one is higher and secondary cess. You have to pay 2% of education cess and 1% of higher and secondary cess. These 2 taxes are applied on all the slabs. Let's start with an example. Let's consider our CTC, that is annual income is 10 lakh. That 10 lakh CTC can be divided into 2 components. First one is non-taxable, second one is taxable. In non-taxable component, HRA, conveyance allowance, sundry medical, leave travel allowance, PF and etc. These are the components. Let's assume 2.5 lakh is the non-taxable component, that is addition of all these. So 10 lakh minus 2.5 lakhs, that is 7.5 lakh is the taxable component of your CTC. So you have to pay tax only on this component. But to save tax, there are some investments which are available like LIC, mutual funds, PPF, which can be used to save tax. Maximum limit given by the government is 1.5 lakh. That is, you will get tax benefit on investment up to 1.5 lakh only. If you invest more than 1.5 lakh, then also you will get tax benefit up to 1.5 lakh only. This is the calculation part. Here you can see 7.5 lakh is the taxable component of the CTC. Plus assume we have done investment up to 1.5 lakh, using which we will save our tax. So the final 7.5 lakh minus 1.5 lakh, so final amount is 6 lakh. Now this is the amount which will be used to check in which slab we fall into. So we have to pay income tax on this 6 lakhs. Now out of this 6 lakhs, first 0 to 2.5 lakh we have to pay no tax. After that, from 2.5 lakh to 5 lakh, that is total of 2.5 lakh, we have to pay 10% of tax. And from 5 lakh to 6 lakh, that is total of 1 lakh, we have to pay 20% of tax. Here are the calculations done. 10% of 2.5 lakh, 10% of 2.5 lakhs is 25,000, and 20% of the 1 lakh, that is 20,000. So 25,000 plus 20,000, that is total 45,000. This is the cross tax. Now, as we have seen earlier, there are 2 more taxes, education cess and higher and other cess. So we have to calculate 2% of the gross tax. That is 2% of 45,000, that is 900, and 1% of the 45,000, that is 450. We have to add that is 45,000, 900 and 450. So total of 46,350 rupees. So this is the net income tax which we are going to pay to government. This is just a simple calculation. I haven't considered other sources of income, and I haven't mentioned what are the investment plans and how we can save income tax by investing in different schemes. If you are interested, please put it in the comment box. I will make other video for that. If this video helped you in any manner, please like this video. If you don't like this, please click on dislike button. To encourage me, click on subscribe button. Thank you.